What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations. If you've been following along the journey, I built a countertop about a couple days ago and I didn't really like how it turned out. However, we're not gonna bail on the project. I still wanna use it. There's some other ideas that I'm going with, but if you wanna go check out the video, it's right here. I just called in the big guns. They're about to come in and help me move it. It's from the sunroom, which is on the opposite side of the house, all the way to the master bathroom, and I'm looking to put it in right there. Right now I have 3 guys, 2 of my brother-in-laws. They're gonna come in. We're each gonna grab a side and try not to break our backs. In total, the whole countertop took 7 bags of 55-pound bag concrete. It's like 385, almost 400 pounds. That'll be very fun. We're gonna get it through this door and go put it in. Yep. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes! Good. There you go. Wow, that was awesome. It feels so good to finally cross this off my plate. The countertop's been in the sunroom for the past couple of days and it's just been blocking up everything. So it's good to finally get it out and set it in place. Again, huge shout out to my brother-in-laws. I couldn't do it without them. One thing that was really handy, especially when you're removing something that's like 400 pounds, was that right before I created stands, 2 stands that helped us bring it in from our sunroom all the way over to the master bath. So every 15 feet or so, I'd have my wife move the stands. We'd set it down, recoup, get another game plan together, and then keep moving it throughout the house. Now it's time to do the live edge around the corner. So I'm just gonna take a hammer and just kind of chip away at it. The key to getting a live edge on this countertop is that you're slowly chipping away at it with the claw side of the hammer. It is a bit time consuming. I have to switch hands every now and then, but overall I do like how this is coming out. So this is taking a little bit longer than I thought. I'm just taking my time, but I don't want to gouge out too big of pieces on the side of the concrete. So let's take it up a notch. The countertop's coming together. I just finished using that hammer drill. That was a big game changer. Under a low setting, just focused on creating like veins off of it and ridges off of the sides. Something that I couldn't do with the actual hammer itself when I was hitting it. But the hammer combined with the hammer drill in tandem, I really like the results, how it's turning out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up this Surecrete micro cement. This is left over from our bathroom project, and then do a thin top coat. And that'll cover any cracks, discoloration. Hopefully I can still get the live edge and just kind of feather it in on the sides. Let's go ahead and mix it up in a bucket and do our first coat. This is the consistency you're going for. Something like that. Gotta trust the process. I know this isn't the cleanest way to do things, but I'll get the job done. Just kind of pressing it in to all the cracks with my finger, and I don't want it to be too thick. I just want it to be nice and kind of like a light color, because I still want to see all the imperfections of the live edge. All right, guys, that's all we got going on for tonight. It was a busy day. We were able to set the countertop, create a live edge around it on the outside, and then also do a nice skim coat of the micro cement that I had left over. Now all I have to do is wait and let it dry, and this is the vessel sink that's gonna be resting on the top. So we got 2 of these, and then the faucet that goes with it. It's like this brass color. It's really gonna pull everything in, and then I can finally cross this project off my plate. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you missed the video of me actually making the concrete countertop and almost losing the entire slab, I'm gonna leave that video right here. But that's all I got for tonight. I'll see you on the next one.